Get up.
Yeah, good morning.
We're on a road trip across the western states of America. Our plan: discover beautiful and weird places, see some friends and family, and stealth camp most nights in our micro camper. We named our car Toastie because Honda Elements are shaped like toasters. Let's go and enjoy the journey.
We're just outside of Vegas. We had a real sweaty boondock last night. Our doors are swinging closed.
It's windy.
So we made some coffee. We're gonna hang out. Now we're making some content. And we're heading into Vegas, I think, for 2 days, which is not what I expected.
Yeah, initially we were really gonna stay in Utah, but Smokey, nope, not for us.
But you know, they say that van life is a gamble.
It took me a while.
Right now we're heading to Lake Mead. I want to just see how low the water is. We're going to go to the recreation area, which is where people launch boats. And I've read a few things that some of the launches are so far away from the water line now that you can't use them. So we're going to see Lake Mead, see how low it is, and take a visit to America's largest reservoir. This is supposed to be the really busy time of year for Lake Mead.
Is it really?
Yeah. July, August is like a really busy time of year, and it's a freaking ghost town. There's like one car in each parking lot. There's like no one's here. So I think they've restricted access to the boat launches because they're so dry.
We're about to drive over the Hoover Dam. We just went through a security checkpoint where you just roll your windows down and they look inside your car and just ask you if you have any weapons or ammo, which we don't. So we just rolled on through. It's 100 degrees outside. Mistakes were made to do this in summer.
Noon.
You would never guess it, but right inside there is delicious food.
Classic American diner.
What did Shawn do? What did he order?
Made mistakes. I ordered Belgian waffles with ice cream and a chocolate shake. So I'm gonna have a nice diabetic nap.
p.m. and we've made it to our last campsite on Toastie Tour Part 1 with gorgeous views. We just had to gain elevation to 7,000 feet to get out of the heat of Nevada because it's August. Time to put our bed away.
We're gonna make the bed.
It's less like van life and a little more like camping. Our last Toastie campsite because we are spending our last night in a hotel in Vegas. Oh, why did you take this road?
You can go back up.
Yeah, that's too bumpy.
Bumpy. We almost got stuck at our last campsite in Vegas.
Yeah, Shawn almost took the way that all the people with their ATVs rip up the road, so nope. Okay, so leaving our last campsite, it was great. The night was perfect temperature.
It really was.
It really was.
It was like 70.
Yeah, it was so nice.
We're driving to the El Cortez Hotel, our hopefully very chic, vintage, kitschy one-night stay in Vegas here to mark the end of the trip. It'll be memorable. I just wonder what kind of memory. Are you excited to stay at El Cortez?
Our room is super nice. I'm now full of Thai food. We are good, but I'm on Toastie time.
You're good though, you're all dressed up.
Yeah, I'm a little dressed up. There you go.
Yeah.
A little dressed up.
So Vegas-y.
We couldn't get into the Neon Museum because we're so used to planning on the fly that it's like 2 hours until the next tickets are available, and I'm on Toastie time. I'm tired.
It's 8 o'clock, by the way. We're not gonna gamble, we're just gonna drive.
We're heading back home. Toastie.
Last day.
Toastie trip part 1 is wrapping up. And we're home.
We're in the last half mile. We've driven 5,764 miles. Thanks, California, Oregon, Washington, Idaho, Wyoming, South Dakota, Nevada, and Arizona. You guys were great.
Now it's time for us to unpack, do a lot of laundry, until next time. Toastie, toastie, you are the mostie. Toastie, toastie,
driving so far.
Toastie, toastie, you are the best car. Toastie, toastie,
it's a great car.